If you're looking for Umbra wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Umbra wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Umbra. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Umbra. Number 3. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Umbra. Find these Umbra wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Umbra wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.